Hey everybody, it's Damien. We're back with Disturbing Creations today. Let me tell you what, man. Got this cool Cadillac in the shop. Found a couple old videos and we're gonna do some tinkering on it. I'm gonna do some of my custom paint work. We're gonna try to bring some life back into this thing, and I've got an extra surprise for the customer after all the work I've done on this. This video right here is gonna show you just the littlest, tiniest amount of love, labor, and a couple of dollars. You can change your whole car's appearance as well. I hope the guy loves what we've done to his car's surprise. So let's go see what we did.
Hey, what's up everybody? This is Damien at Disturbing Creations, and we got a new project. So we've been working on this Cadillac restore. This is an 81 Deville. It's got the 4100 in it. Guy wants to drive around it, I guess live some of the childhood, bring that back, bring this antique beautiful car back. I took it apart a little bit. I took some of the pieces out here, valve cover and some of the top panel. I'm going to show you what it is. It holds the air cleaner and air breather, and it was really rusty. It needs a little work, needs a little love, but we're going to do this for the customer and surprise him. And I can't wait to see his face because I had a little paint laying around the shop. I know this guy likes the Joker. This car is beautiful. Check out this Cadillac. Man, this thing is 40 years old. She's a beauty, So we're gonna do a little surprise after we fix her all up. We did the brakes, all the new shoes and drums and springs, put new brake lines in, did a tune-up on her. Everything's looking real good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take these intake pieces. So this lays on top of his, this is gonna lay on top of his carburetor, and it's pretty rusty, as you can see. I just sanded it all down, got it all cleaned up. I'm about to wash it. And then I'm going to hit it with the primer for metal. This is the top plate here. So this piece goes on top of this old school piece, and this is how your air filters are back in the day. So it's kind of like a truck, what you would think a truck would look like now. And then the filter goes right inside here. The air comes from the front and then goes down into the carburetor. So we're going to paint all this up for here too. And we already started the valve cover. Got all the technique in, got all the cleaning in, so this is the color it's going to be. So this is going to be like Joker green hair. I mean, I'm a huge Joker fan too. He's going to love this. Oh man, these were like, they had rotten blue paint on them. They were all rusted and pitted up just like the other thing. So we're going to green for the valve cover. We're going to do purple for the base that sits on the middle on the top. I'm going to go green on the top. So like purple for the Joker outfit, then green for the top of the hair. Then we might put a little decal here. Who knows? We got to see. And we're doing some more upgrades to this 81 Cadillac Deville 4100. It's called the 4.1 liter. This is actually the V6. This is carbureted. This motor only came out for a few years with this car, and we're doing a full restore for a customer. So just to let you know real quick, I did a couple little things. This air cleaner was really rusty, and this piece, oh man, bad. So I painted this, I sandblasted this and ceramic coated this purple, and as you can see I did this green, and we replaced the valve cover gaskets, and I did those green ceramic coat as well. I don't know if you can see that one on that side, but the customer, he really likes the Joker. He hasn't seen this yet. I can't wait to see his smile on his face when he actually does get to see it. So I'm very excited. I mean, it doesn't change the horsepower or the way the car runs or anything, but the customer really loves this car. So I put forth this little effort to help him out. He doesn't know yet. I've worked this out with his son for the color scheme and everything. And I really think he's going to be happy with it. So I just kind of did it on my own as a freebie. So let's hope it works and it looks great. The car shows.
So just because you made it this far, I got a little joke for you.
I'm videoing this on my own right now. We don't even have a YouTube yet, but this Caddy project's probably going to be the first upload. We got a couple more projects coming up. If anyone has an old Cadillac like this, one of these old Cadillacs, you know, this is an 81. Doesn't have to be an 81. Doesn't have to be a Deville, but this one, the package is called the Deville, or the trim is called the Deville. If you have a Seville or an Eldorado or something, hey, comment down below. Tell us what you got. I want to know. I mean, I'm working on this antique. I know some of you guys, you people are working on antiques. I mean, tell me what your problems are. Tell me if you notice something. Do you see something that I missed? I mean, I'm not an expert. I'm a professional, but I don't know it all. I love when people teach me things, you know? Also, if you want to see something in this vehicle, comment down below. Right here. Right under the screen. See this screen? Right here. Where the keyboard is. Type some stuff. It's cool. But anyway, give me a like, subscribe. We're going to be coming out with all kind of stuff. A little bit more. So we were having electrical issues. So someone put an alternator in, but I put this new piece of the harness here. This clip was really rotten. I don't know why they didn't put this in when they put the new alternator in. The car is 40 years old. Come on, people, you have to take care of your car. You can't put this, let's say hypothetically, $100 part in and not put this hypothetical $2 part in. Because if this isn't working, then this isn't working. So let's spend a couple extra dollars and do it right. We also just plugged in the new coolant sensor. I had to butt connect the plugs in here to the old wiring, and I put a new pigtail in. And it's right down there. I don't know if you can